So there you see my new bike, and where I'm recording this is from Boxhill in Surrey. If you are a cycle enthusiast or even a beginner, and this is one of the best rides you could do. As you can see how much of cycle and how much facilities have they got here. Right now let's get on to the bike, and what my bike is a hybrid one. I'll tell you quickly my requirements, and this might in line be with some of your own requirements and will help you to make a decision, I believe. And so my requirements is to get fit by riding to work, and my work commute is 12 miles one way, and that's down to London City from Croydon. So basically the Strava app tells me that half of my ride is a bit of climb and up, and after that half my ride is pretty much flat. So what I went for is this is Boardman Hybrid 8.6, which has got 2 gears in the front and then 9 gears at the back. I won't use the jargons which normally, I won't call it a jargon, but technical terms which you can get used to, because one is called chain set and one then is called wheels and all those things. Right, why I went for this bike is primarily for the limited 2 and 9, which keeps things easy as you ride with less gears to worry about. And I also went for this especially for the disc brakes. Be warned, they are very sharp, and get used to it very much before you do anything funny with the disc brakes. To be very honest, I had a fall in the second or third ride to the city. I was riding a bit, and then I applied my front brake, and then literally threw me off from train. So just giving you the warning quickly, just be very used to before you use these brakes and play around. So that's the requirement. And obviously I do have joined a club where my friends ride on every weekend to some great places like this one. And today this Boxhill has got a zigzag route from the other side, and it's a bit of a climb, and I was able to do all going to the lowest gear of 1 and 2. So basically I still had 1 gear left for me, and obviously this will depend on your own ability. So my view is this bike, which is hybrid, is great for commuting, and also for we can ride with the clubs, and also good to ride up climbs. The more you keep riding, you're going to use less gears. You're pretty much honest with that. The more you ride, get experienced, your ability builds, your power builds, and then you'll be able to do that. So finally, just in my view, this is a great bike. I had it for close to 8 weeks now, and this is fantastic. If you're thinking of getting your first bike and you're looking to decide between road bike, hybrid, or mountain, all those things, I would say hybrid is a great start. I'm sure at some point you would want to just review and get a better bike, maybe a road bike, a carbon bike, or something like that. But to start with, if you're someone like me riding to work somewhere between 10 to 15 miles one way, this is a great bike. So just go ahead, get your hybrid bike or get a bike, and then get on the road, and you'll feel much more refreshing ride every day to work or any of these best places where you ride to. Fantastic. Thank you very much.